What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when the Safari browser on your iPhone is not opening sites properly. First, if you're seeing a message saying you can't browse this page because it's restricted, it's likely due to a content restriction setting on your iPhone. To fix this, go to your Settings app, scroll down and select Screen Time. Then, scroll further to find the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Content Restrictions here. You'll need to enter your screen time passcode, so if you didn't set this up, you may need the person who did to enter it for you. In the Content Restrictions menu, tap on the App Store, Media, Web and Game section, followed by Web Content. If you want to allow unrestricted browsing, select Unrestricted Access. Alternatively, you can set it to limit adult websites or manually add specific websites to the allowed websites list if you're only having trouble with a particular site. Once you've adjusted these settings, close the Settings app and reopen Safari. You may need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and fully close Safari before reopening it. Now, try loading the website again. If restrictions were causing the issue, it should now load properly. If restrictions are not the problem, or Safari still won't load sites, the next step is to clear your browsing data, as corrupted data can sometimes prevent sites from loading. Go back to Settings, scroll down to Apps and select Safari. Once in the Safari settings, scroll down until you find the option to Clear History and Website Data. Tap on this and confirm that you want to clear all history. This action will delete your browsing history, cookies and cache, which can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. When you clear the browsing data, you'll also have the option to close all tabs, which is recommended if you want to start fresh. After clearing, close the Settings app, reopen Safari, and try to load the website that was giving you trouble. If you've tried both of these steps and Safari still won't load sites, it might be related to the network you're connected to. Sometimes, specific networks restrict access to certain websites, which can result in loading errors. Try disconnecting from Wi-Fi and switching to cellular data. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off. Now, using cellular data, go back to Safari and try loading the site again. If the page loads, it means the issue was likely with your network settings. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.